Hey everyone, so here we got the Mickey Mouse popcorn bucket that we picked up for the 70th anniversary, and it actually talks. So check this out real quick. When you turn it on, it's gonna move around a little bit, but by the way, the arms do move manually, but check this out.
And then, hi Mickey.
So if you talk into the back, it'll...
Hi Mickey.
Hiya, I'm Mickey Mouse.
Hi Mickey.
So, hi Mickey.
Let's celebrate.
So you gotta give it a little bit of a voice into the back just to like kind of get the thing to
Hi
act.
Mickey.
Hey Mickey.
Hey
Yeah.
Mickey.
So we haven't gone through all
Hey Mickey, you're the best.
We haven't gone through all the sayings to see how many sayings it has or anything like that. We just kind of been playing with it.
Hi Mickey.
Hiya, I'm Mickey Mouse.
Yeah, so let me talk about the popcorn part now. So if you switch over to the back, on the head right here, here's actually the cavity for the popcorn. So if you flip this thing open, pretty decent size. I mean, I can fit my whole hand in there, right? So, hey.
Mine too.
Oh, his too. Go ahead. Yeah, you can fit 2 hands in there probably, huh?
No, I can fit only one.
Oh, okay, only one? All right, here, let me see. Let me close it. And then from here, obviously, you got the lanyard, which is adjustable in size. It's got some weight to it, so just, put it on you. You're gonna definitely feel it. But yeah, this thing's kind of fun. We have it on, and we just have it sitting in our living room as a decor item, and it's pretty cool. All plastic. The legs do not move, but like I said, with the arms, you can move those manually. Put them in any pose that you want. But here we go. Hi, Mickey. Hi, Mickey.
Hi Mickey.
So I shut it off. Put it back on. There we go.
Hi Mickey.
Hiya, I'm Mickey Mouse.
So see, there you
Hi
go.
Mickey.
So there we go. Check it out.